You're so silly.
King of the Wild.
Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. And if you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this review where I talk about and show you some new colored contact lenses from TTDEYE. The contact lenses that they sent me are the Monarch Butterfly Brown, Morpho Butterfly Blue, Fuji Grey, and Fuji Green. I hope you guys enjoy this review and let me know, of course, in the comment section below, what do you think? Here you are.
Don't get me started about the way you look at me. Don't you see what you've done? Don't want a broken heart, and please never let me go. Can we be more than friends just for once? Yeah, you make me wanna try. Yeah, you turn my lows into my highs. Meet me after midnight at your house without your friends. Tell me we'll be alright. We got no doubts into the weekend. Don't wanna waste time. Just take it by. Meet me after midnight. Let's kiss into the starlight. Meet me after midnight. Kiss under the starlight. Don't get me started. I just can't help it when I see your face. Hear you trace under the stars. We'll leave this party. Yeah, sneak around the back and drive away to my place or somewhere far. Yeah, you make me wanna try. Yeah, you turn my lows into my highs. Meet me after midnight at your house without your friends. Tell me we'll be alright. We got no doubts into the weekend. Don't wanna waste time. Just take it by. Meet me after midnight. Let's kiss into the starlight. Meet me after midnight. Kiss under the starlight.
Okay, so let me know in the comment section down below, what did you think about these colored contact lenses? Let me know your honest thoughts and opinions. Let me know which ones were your favorite. I always love to hear which ones you guys like the most and which ones you like the least. And I'm gonna let you know which ones I like the most and which ones I like the least, and show you up close shots as I usually do. I have been working with TTDEYE for a while now, so I'm gonna put my coupon code right here on the screen just so you all can see it. And if you are interested in any of these lenses, I will leave the links down below in the description box just so you can check them out. So their website looks like this. They have a lot of new different colored contact lenses. They have so many different collections, so many different series, and I'm sure you will find something on their website that you like I know I always do. So when they sent these lenses over to me, I was so excited because there were a few that I actually wanted to try. Let me get into which ones I liked the most first. The two that I like the most first are the Monarch Butterfly Brown, which is the ones that I'm wearing right here, as well as the Morpho Butterfly Blue. Now, the pattern itself on these lenses is very, very different. As you can see here where I have them in the case, the pattern is an extremely different pattern. It's like circles and swirls on the colored contact lens. Now, I thought because that was the pattern that it wasn't going to show up very well on my eyes, but I actually like the way both of these colored contact lenses look. I show all of them in natural lighting just so you all can get an idea of how they will look in natural light. If you want to see any in particular up close in different lighting, then make sure you let me know in the comment section down below. But I absolutely liked how both of the lenses showed up on my eyes. They look very pretty. They look very natural, especially the Morpho Butterfly Blue. I was so surprised because I thought in the case, as you see, I thought like, oh my goodness, I'm probably not gonna like these, but I actually really wound up liking these, as well as the Monarch Butterfly Brown. You guys know I love brown lenses. Anything that's brown colored, I think it blends very, very well with my own natural light brown eyes, and I think they look very natural. Now, if somebody's standing really close to you, or like really close to you, they'll be able to see that these aren't your natural eyes because of the effect that the contact lens gives, or the pattern of the colored contact lens. So they'll know that these aren't your real natural eyes, but I think they're very pretty, and they are subtle enough, I feel like, for everyday natural look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very interested to hear. Now, the ones that I didn't like the most are the Fuji Green colored contact lenses. When I put them on, I felt like I had like reptile eyes. They were not my favorite. They did not look very well or very natural or very subtle on my eyes, as you can see. The pattern in the case, I thought that I was really gonna like them. These were actually the ones that I grabbed first, but when I put them on and looked, I did not like them at all. They were not my favorite lenses at all, even though they're green colored contact lenses, and I love green colored contact lenses. The next ones I also didn't like were the Fuji Grey colored contact lenses, but between the gray and the green, I would choose the gray over the green. Let me explain why. Both of them are very opaque, so I think these lenses will look better on dark eyes. They were actually made for dark eyes. The Morpho and the Monarch Butterfly colored contact lenses that I talked about previously, those could be worn on both light eyes and dark eyes, so keep that in mind. But for the Fuji colored contact lenses, those are made specifically for people with dark eyes, but I don't know, I don't think they look very natural. The pupil hole is very tight, and just overall, they don't look like natural colored contact lenses to me. They're not lenses that I would like. They remind me a lot of the Himalaya colored contact lenses. I'm gonna put that video up on the screen right here. I've reviewed them before. They remind me a lot of those colored contact lenses. Very unnatural. Not my kind of colored contact lens at all. But let me know, what do you guys think? Are you guys interested in these lenses? Drop me a comment down below. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see any in room lighting or with artificial lighting, then definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you all so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me, as well as my brand, The Luxe Princess, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I upload 3 days a week, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And don't forget to follow me on my socials. I put them throughout the video as well as in the description box down below. Thank you all so much again. I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.